Hey everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show, and don't forget, the Forensic Photography Symposium is going to be held on January 17th to 20th, 2022. There is a new schedule, which is on the website, so go ahead and have a look. I'm continuing on the speaker series here, and today I'm very pleased to have Eddy de Valck, who's going to be talking about disaster victim identification. Eddy, thank you so much for being here today.
You're welcome.
So I want to ask you about DVI, and can you tell me about your presentation and what kinds of things you're going to be discussing with respect to photography and DVI?
Well, mainly I'm going to talk about the INTERPOL DVI Guidelines. And when I'm saying guidelines, it's guidelines for all people involved in DVI. As we know, or as we should know, DVI is a multidisciplinary approach for identification of the victims. And in that respect, in all the different phases of the DVI process, photography may and plays an important role, by which I mean it's the way of documenting things. It's the way of proving things. It's the way of keeping things together. And this is what we do through all the phases of the DVI process. Search and rescue, everything gets photographed. As you said, sometimes it's body parts, sometimes it's an entire body. Sometimes it's just a very small fragment, but we document it, we label it, we document it so that we always can make reference to where it comes from. The same goes for the post-mortem procedure, where every phase for all the specialists are documented by photography. Antemortem photography can be very useful there. And there, as an odontologist, as a dentist, I'm thinking of dental records with photos of the patient antemortem. We need them to compare them to post-mortem photographs that we make. And the very important thing about these photographs is that every photo that is made carries a label, the body number. And that allows us to, in the whole process, to keep track of what it is about, who it is about, where it was found, where we're going to use it.
Wow. Well, I didn't even know that Interpol had guidelines on this, so that'll be quite interesting. I'm curious to find out more.
Yeah, that's freely available on the internet. You know, you just go to the DVI, to Interpol, the Interpol website, and then you go into DVI, and there's the guideline book. It is reviewed every 5 years, and we're up to a new review this year. So it'd be interesting to see what will be changed. Not many things do change, actually. It is a process. And as we always say, disaster victim identifications, where you got many bodies sometimes, but it's nothing more than one victim to be identified and repeat the same actions 20 times, 50 times, 100 times, or 1,000 times. Procedures, the protocols stay the same. And that's the strength of the whole DVI process. And that's where photography comes in and is very important.
Eddy, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.